Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently set up T-Mobile home internet and now want to connect your laptop but are unsure where to start, the process is usually much easier than expected. Sometimes people cannot find the network name, while other times the laptop sees the signal but refuses to connect right away. Since the T-Mobile home internet gateway works like a regular Wi-Fi router, getting your laptop online usually only takes a few quick settings and the correct password. The good part is that once everything is connected properly, your laptop should start using the internet normally within moments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to connect a laptop to T-Mobile home internet. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the laptop and make sure the T-Mobile home internet gateway stays powered on. Step 2. Open Wi-Fi settings on the laptop and search for the T-Mobile home internet network. Step 3. Select the T-Mobile home internet network shown on the laptop screen. Step 4. Enter the password from the T-Mobile home internet gateway on the laptop. Step 5. Wait while the laptop finishes connecting to T-Mobile home internet. Step 6. Open a website on the laptop and confirm the T-Mobile home internet connection works properly.